Cinema app not working on Firestick. Alright guys, here's how you can fix this. Simply restart your Firestick by holding the select and play button for a few seconds and then either unplugging it and plugging it back in. Alright, another thing you could try is clearing the cache and data. That's by heading into settings, application, manage installed apps, and then select the cinema app and then click clear cache and clear data. And then another thing you could try is installing or updating your video player. So Cinema needs an external player to work. So you could install a video player like the VLC media player and then simply reinstall the Cinema app just right after. So you can have your content displayed through VLC. All right, another thing you could try is checking out your internet connection. So make sure your internet is stable. If the video buffers for too long or doesn't actually load, just restart your Wi-Fi or switch to a different network. Another thing you could watch out for is turning off or changing your VPN. So if you're using a VPN, try turning it off or switching the servers because some streams are blocked depending on the location. And then last but not least, check your storage space because low storage can cause apps to actually crash or not even load. So head into your settings, my fire, about, and then check your storage and then delete any unused apps if needed. All right, guys.